SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to add an email signature on an iPhone 15. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you send a lot of emails from your iPhone, then it's possible that you're including contact information at the end of every one of those emails. Typing this out every time can be a little inconvenient, so one way that you can make it a little faster is to add an email signature to your phone. You can do this by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select the Mail option from this menu. And then you can scroll all the way down to the bottom of this screen where you're going to find a Signature option in the Composing section. Note that if you've never changed this before, then it probably says Sent from my iPhone here. So now you just need to choose the Signature option. And then if you have multiple email accounts on your iPhone, then you're going to be able to select that per account option and set different signatures for each account. Or if you just want to use the same email signature for everything, then you can keep all accounts selected. Then you can tap inside the signature field, and if there's already a signature there, you can delete it. And then you just need to type the content that you want to use in your signature. And then once that content is entered, then you can just tap the mail button to go back, and you'll see that the signature now shows the information you entered.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit SolveYourTech.com.